Hi and welcome back to another video. But before we begin today's video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get further notified in future. As you must have seen from the title above, this video is going to be about the review of the book YouTube Secrets. Why should you read YouTube Secrets? Reason number 1. Extremely qualified authors, Sean Cancel and Benji Travis. Unlike several other books on the topic, YouTube Secret is written by two guys who practice everything they preach, Benji Travis and Think Media. Both of these guys are thriving in niches that they are extremely competitive. Benji Travis has 3,69,000 above subscribers on his channel that covers topic of passion for food, family and business. While Sean Cancel's channel, Think Media is closing on 1 million subscriber. He covers tech tips and the way to grow your brand on social media, including YouTube. Their book sales are the drop in the bucket compared to the massive earning potential they have built on YouTube. Oh, and they're also really nice guys. Benji Travis earns 7-figure income but also has raised almost 2 million for the charity. Reason number 2. The book is entertaining and isn't filled with the fluff. I can't stand when the book is filled with the lengthy stories or useless information that are just filler content. I don't want a bunch of words, I want actionable advice. Every page on this book serves one purpose: to help you become a better video influencer. Reason number 3. It's 200 times cheaper than a course and probably more valuable. I paid $19.97 for a course called Jump Cut Academy. It was awesome, but as far as the bang for my buck, YouTube Secrets pegged much more. Reason number 4. 100% white hat and ethical tactics. Benji and Sean make it clear that being a YouTube influencer isn't just about money. I really appreciate that they didn't share some of the strategies that work but are grey hat and the borderline scrammy. Reason number 5. Comprehensive. YouTube Secrets is broken into two sections, the 7 C's and then tactics. The first section shows you how to set a great base for your YouTube channel, and the second section teaches you some of the more actionable tactics that you can start to implement. I hope you find this book review quite helpful as I did. Make sure if you want to purchase this book, the links are already written down in the description below. Thanks for watching the video.